Hello everyone. We'll be continuing with the chapter Central Tendency. Let us first have a quick recap, do a little sums, and then we move forward. First, we talked about central tendency. So, the tendency of the data to cluster around a single middle or central value is known as the central tendency, and the value around which we do that is known as the measure of central tendency. In gives us the central location of the observation. It's of five varieties: mean, arithmetic mean, median, mode, geometric mean, and harmonic. We are going to talk about similar properties for all of them. First, we started with arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean was normally sum of the observation by number of observation. In case of individual series where there is no frequency, we talked about sum of the observation by number of observation. And if it is discrete or continuous, we talked about summation fx upon summation f, right? In case of continuous, we took x as the mid values or the class mark because mid values are the representatives of a class interval. When we are talking about mean, both origin, change of origin and change of scale has an importance. That means if y is equal to a plus bx, then we can conclude that sum of the mean of y equals to a plus b into mean of x. Then we also learned about a property that sum of algebraic deviations when calculated from mean will give us 0. Sum of algebraic because we take the plus minus sign both into consideration. So sum of algebraic deviations when we calculate from mean, that will always give us 0. Yes, it is based on all the observation. It is not it is affected by extreme observation fluctuation. It is affected by sampling fluctuations. Fifth one, it has mathematical treatment. That means we can find out combined mean. Combined mean formula will be n1 x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar upon n1 plus n2. If I have two different situations and the mean and number of terms are provided to us, then we can use this formula to find the combined mean. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt till here?
No.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Then we talked about median. Right? First, let's do a few sums for mean, then we'll move forward. Question. X and F. 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55. Frequency 5, 7, 12, 18, 5, 3. Find the mean. So we'll use the formula fx upon f. Directly use your calculator and tell me the value.
$29, ma'am.
Very good.
29.
So basically 5 into 5 m plus into m plus multiply m plus. Equal divided by total frequency. Total frequency is 50. So equal divided by 50. Answer should be 29. Did you all get the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Guys, all of you got the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then we talked about continuous, right? In case of continuous, if it is not an exclusive series, we are supposed to make it exclusive. Exclusive means the relay race category. If it is 10 to 19, 20 to 29, then we need to make it a normal series. Only then we'll be able to do the sums. So in class intervals, 50 to 59, 60 to 69, 70 to 79, 80 to 89, 90 to 99. Frequency 1, 3, 8, 10, 50. Find out mean. In order to find mean, we will need x. In order to find mean, we will be needing x. X is the mid value. How do we calculate mid value? 50 plus 59 by 2. So 54.5, 64.5, 74.5, 84.5, 94.5. Sum of the frequencies 37. Answer.
83.9.
Very good.
83.95.
83.9. Yes. Any doubt? Guys,
No,
any
ma'am.
doubt? Any doubts?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am. Okay. Then we'll be doing a missing frequency question. For a missing frequency, we will apply the same method but trial and error. So, question. Mean is given to be 17. Class interval 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35. Frequency 10, 12, 16, missing 14, 10, and 8. Find the missing frequency. If you want the mean to be 17, options are 48, 49, 50, none. Do trial and error. Do trial and error. If you take the frequency to be 40, do you get the mean 17? If yes, then 48 is the correct answer. If no, then take the frequency to be 49. If the mean comes out to be 17, 49 is the correct answer. If you take 50, if you get the mean to be 17, then that's your answer. Otherwise, no. So do trial and error. If I take F48, if I take F48, then sum of the frequency is 118.
50, ma'am.
If we take 48, then the mean is 16.9. Answer is 50. You get exact 17. Answer is 50. Did you all get it?
Yes, ma'am.
Any problem, guys?
No, ma'am.
Guys, any problem?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
All of you done?
No,
Did you
ma'am.
get 50? Did you get 50?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Question. Question. I'm giving you a less than table. So less than 20, less than 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Frequency, number of people, 5, 22, 48, 60, 83, 100. The original thing we need to do is first form the normal table. So from a less than table, how do we form a normal table? This in less than, what do we use? These are all
Lower limit.
no
Upper limit.
upper limits.
Upper limit.
In less than, all the values that are provided are upper limits. Everyone has a gap of 10. So we
Yes,
fill
ma'am.
them up. We fill them up. We fill them up. 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70. Frequency. For frequency, we subtract from above 5, 22 minus 5, 17, 48 minus 22, 26, 60 minus 48, 12, 83 minus 60, 17. My fault, 23 are subtracted. And this is 17. Let's add 5, 17, 26, 12, 23, and 17. Yes, it's 100. I'm correct. We will need X, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65. Now, normally find me. Did you all understand this? Whenever less than is given, we take them to be the upper limit, fill in the blanks, and the values that is given is the cumulative frequency. To forget the frequency, we subtract from the top. Done?
37.5.
No.
11.05.
How will the average be so low, guys? The data is still 70.
43.2.
I didn't hear again.
43.2.
Thank you. 43.2. All of you got the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone done?
Yes, ma'am.
Then we talked about more than also and so many of them. Okay. Then we went to median. Median is the middlemost value of the data. And since we are concerned about the position of the observation, because we always arrange the data in ascending order before we actually find out median. That's why median is also known as positional average. Median is also known as positional average. So we first arrange the data. Once you've arranged the data, and then we find out the middlemost value. So if n is odd, then median is equal to n plus 1 by 2th observation. And if n is even, then median is average of n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1th observation. Both for individual and discrete, we use this formula. When it comes to continuous, we first find out median class. Median class is that class which has cumulative frequency equal to n by 2 or just greater than n by 2. And then to find out median, we use the formula L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. This is how we find median. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So, in case of median, this is the only central tendency value that can be obtained for open-end class less than 10, more than 100 wala category. Then again, it is not based on all the observation. It is based on the central 50% of the observation only. It is not affected by extreme observation fluctuations. Then the origin and scale property is still true. It does not have a mathematical property, right? It is known as positional average. So first, if I give you a normal data question 10, 11, 12, 13, 40. What is median?
12.
12.
I've already arranged. So median is the middle value 12. If I give you 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, what is median?
8
These
and
two are
5.
middle
8.5.
values. So 8 plus 9 by 2, that is 8.5. Yes?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
All of you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Then for continuous cases, class intervals 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. Frequency 3, 4, 2, 7, 9.
I'm 35.
Yes, ma'am, 35.
All of you done?
Yes, ma'am.
So first cumulative frequency 3, 7, 9, 16, 25. N by 2 is 12.5. So this is the median class. So median L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H, which gives us 35. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Question. Then we talked about quartiles. Quartiles are those numbers that divides our data into equal part. It is of three categories: quartile, deciles, and percentile. Quartile, how many portions?
4.
Oh,
4.
4.
How many quartiles are there?
3.
3.
3.
3. We have Q1 lesser than Q2 lesser than Q3. Q1 is known as the first or the lower quartile. Q3 is known as the largest or the upper quartile. Q2 is also known as the median. To find for individual and discrete, Q1 is n plus 1 by fourth observation. Q3, it is thrice n plus 1 by fourth observation. For deciles, deciles are 10 equal parts, and D1 to D9, there are 9 deciles. In that case, D1 is n plus 1 by 10th observation. D3, suppose thrice of n plus 1 by 10th observation, and so on. Then if I have percentile, there are 100 parts, there are 99 percentiles, so n plus 1 by 100 into the one that you want to find. And if it is a continuous series, then Q1 is L plus N by 4 minus CF by F into H. Q3 will be L plus 3N by 4 minus CF by F into H. For D3, L plus 3N by 10 minus CF by F into H. Suppose P40, it will be L plus 40N by 100 minus CF by F into H, and so on. Yes? When we talk about median, Q2 is the median, D5 is the median, and P50 is the median. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Question. Class interval. Class interval 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70. Frequency 8, 24, 22, 4, 8, 14. You need to find Q1, Q3, D3, D7, P40. Done, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Answer for the first one, Q1. In order to do these sums, what do we need? We need cumulative frequency. So cumulative frequency will be 8, 32, 54, 58, 66, and 80. So for Q1, we calculate n by 4, that is 20. So this one will be Q1 class. So Q1 will be L plus n by 4 minus CF by F into H.
25, ma'am.
25.
Yes, 25. Similarly, for Q3, we will find out 3n by 4. For D3 and 3n by 10, this will be 7n by 10, and this will be 40n by 100. So, what's the answer for Q3?
52.5.
52.5. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
D3, yes. D3,
26.6.
26.67.
rest of you.
Yes,
Does
ma'am.
it match? Okay. D7
45.
45.
and P40,
30.
30.
30, ma'am.
Yes,
30.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you got the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then we talked about mode. Okay. All the medians and everything. Since median can be obtained graphically from OGIF, if you remember from the last chapter. Median can be obtained from OGIF, cumulative frequency curve.
yes, ma'am.
So all the quartile, deciles, percentiles, all quartiles can be obtained from the cumulative frequency curve. All of them can be obtained from OGIF. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, mode. Mode is the maximum repeated value. So for individual and discrete, we don't even need a formula, right? We can directly find out mode. That is the one that is repeated maximum number of time or the one with the highest frequency. But for a continuous interval, we first find out modal class. Class with maximum frequency. And then mode will be L plus F1 minus F0 to F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
class interval 100 to 200, 200 to 300, 300 to 400, 400 to 500, 500 to 600. Frequency 5, 12, 19, 11, 6. Find out mode.
346.667. 3.616.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the model class highest frequency. So L, F0, F1, F2. H will be 400 minus 300, 100. Mode is L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into 100. Answer would be 346.67. Any problem?
No, ma'am.